motivate, elevate, celebrate. Welcome back to the channel. My name is Jonathan Edmond, and if you're looking for self-empowerment and motivational videos sprinkled with a little bit of spoken word, then this is just the right channel for you. So go ahead and hit that subscribe button over there and the notification bell next to it so you never miss another video. So in today's video, we're going to be talking about how to use visualization to program the subconscious mind. Okay? Now, 2 videos ago, it was all about the power of the subconscious mind. And we spoke about how the subconscious mind influences or controls basically over 90% of your behavior, your actions on a daily basis. In simple terms, everything that you do without thinking about the mechanics of what you're doing is controlled by the subconscious mind. And that's most of what you do on a day-to-day basis. It's just on autopilot. Your deep-seated beliefs, your habits, all the things you do on habituation are all controlled by the subconscious mind, right? And it's so important to notice because if you understand the power of the subconscious mind, and you understand how to program the subconscious mind using visualization, affirmations, and so on, then you could place into your subconscious new programs that will help you along the path towards achieving your goals. Okay? So for today's video, we specified visualization and how to use visualization to program the subconscious. Now, what visualization does is visualization allows you to place certain images into your subconscious. And these images, when they're placed into the subconscious and deep into the subconscious, and they're made part of your sort of normal mental imagery, these images in your subconscious will now direct your actions, will assist your actions, will give you urges and desires to better move towards achieving your goals, right? So let's talk about the types of visualization, all right? So there are 2 types of visualization that I know of, and that is the first person and the third person. Now with the first person visualization, this is where you place yourself entirely into the setting. It's almost like you place yourself into what you want to manifest completely, like a dreamer in a dream world, right? So you place yourself into the dream world consisting of all the things that you want to manifest or what it is that you want to manifest, and you place yourself into the manifestation. You seeing it, feeling it, you experiencing it fully, you in it, you acting it out and everything, right? That's the first person visualization. The third person visualization is where you just imagining yourself. So you're seeing yourself from outside of your body, doing what it is that you want to do, achieving what you want to achieve, and so on. It's almost like first person versus third person. First person is like when you're in the movie as the character in the movie, going through the motions and everything, experiencing the movie. That's first person visualization. Third person is where you're just watching the movie. You're watching your movie that you want to manifest, and you're just watching yourself in it, right? You're outside of the movie, you're just watching it on a screen. That's third person visualization. Okay? Now, personally, I prefer first person. I think it's much more powerful. It really puts you into the setting. It really puts you into the manifestation. It puts you into the thing that you want to achieve. So and you're acting it out and so on. So let's talk about the steps for first person visualization, which is what I normally do, right? So first thing you need to do is to calm your mind. So I would suggest maybe meditation. Okay, so you sit, you do some meditation, focus on the breath to really calm your body down, get into a really deeply relaxed state, and you also calm your mind, because as your body gets calm, your mind also gets calm. Meditation also helps you to make the mind one pointed. which also helps you with your visualization and so on. So you could do some meditation as your first step. You sit, nice, comfortable, relaxed state. You do some meditation. If you don't want to meditate, you could just do some deep breathing. Because what you really want to do before you begin to visualize is you want to calm your mind. So you calm your mind through some deep breathing or through some meditation. As the first step. The second step is, if you're doing first person visualization, is you, of course, with your eyes closed, you get into it, whatever it is that you want to achieve. If you want to get your degree, if you want to start your business, let's say, for example. So after you do the calming of the mind using the meditation or the deep breathing, you can you put yourself into that setting. So you want to start your own business, you want to be a successful business owner or entrepreneur, you picture yourself in your business place with the clothing, your preferred choice of clothing, right? All these things you could think about before you go into the act of visualizing. So you have your preferred choice of clothing in your business place. Imagine what your business place is going to look like, your workers, the design of your business place, all these things you could imagine, you could visualize. Imagine you see yourself, you in it, you're acting it out. You're not just seeing yourself like in third person, but with first person, you're actually in it. So you in it, and you could think about, you could plan this before, you could plan all of this beforehand, what you'll be wearing, how your business place is going to look, number of workers you're going to have, and so on and so forth. The more you put into it, the more powerful it's going to be, and the more it's going to sink into your subconscious. So you do all the planning, what you'll be wearing, the design of your business place, your work hours, and so on. You could draw, you could write. When you get into the visual, when you get into it, you're dressed and you're acting out and you're feeling it. So what are you going to be saying? I mean, you could just pick, you could do this for about 10 minutes. And you could repeat this 10-minute play every day, right? But you take a 10-minute scene out of a day of your business, of running your business. A 10-minute scene out of, let's be a successful day, a beautiful day of running your business, and you play it out and you enjoy it, have fun with it. So you're speaking to your customers, you're speaking to your workers, right? Just for 10 minutes. You could time this with a stop clock, a stopwatch, with an alarm and so on. And you dressed as you want to, you're feeling like you want to, excited, fulfilled, happy. So you bring in the emotions, you smelling, what are the smells going to be like in your business place? What is the setting going to be on the outside? Is it going to be in the city? Is it going to be away from the city? Is it going to be whatever it is that you want your actual business place and the setting to be like at your business place? Just bring that in and bring in the emotion, bring in the feeling, bring in as many senses as possible. Smell, taste, touch, and really get excited about it. Have fun with it. Enjoy it. It's really important that you enjoy this. All right? And you do this consistently. Consistency is key, like we always say. Consistency is key. So as much as you can, once a day, you do the visualization, right? And this is so powerful. This allows the image, this allows the desire to sink into the subconscious mind. And when that happens, the subconscious will now push you. It will now push you. It will direct your urges, your desires. It will remind you of things. It will bring opportunities to light. Things that you were coming across on a daily basis that you're probably just skipping, but now they will just become more vivid. Things that will lead you to your desire, to your goal of becoming a successful business owner. Things that resonate with the visual, okay, will becoming more vivid to you. Okay, and this is so super powerful, guys. So this is first person visualization and how you use it to program your subconscious mind. If you got anything from this video, be sure to give it a thumbs up. Subscribe to the channel if you haven't already. I'll see you in the next video. Always a pleasure. Thank you so much for watching. Peace and love to you. Love, peace, and bliss to you. Affirm life. Affirm life. Affirm life. The affirmation of life. One love.